Hello, Justin here. Just wanted to talk about some things. And you know what I like is whenever I'm torn between two vehicles, I have choices. So, what's better than one U10 Pro? Two U10 Pros. So if you're like me and you have troubles making decisions, we can just put these both in your garage. But let's go over here to the red one, showcase this down a little bit. These things are amazing. They have all the creature features that you would want in a vehicle, and they don't cost near the price of the other guys. So inside has the stitched leather looking seats. These things feel and look like a King Ranch seat. They have a stereo already in them, as the speakers you can see up in the top there. These things are going to have a touchscreen dash that does have maps that you can download onto them, as well as play all of your media through. And you can add a heater kit to this thing and close it all up this season whenever hunting season comes around. But right now, they're honestly pretty comfortable to drive around without having a windshield or rear panel on it, because it's hot. It's 90 degrees out today, and it is a beautiful day in PA. So, but if you're torn and on the fence about one of these beautiful CFMOTO U10 Pros, come on up to Mountain Extreme Powersports and check both of these great vehicles out today.